I just might make it until the night. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This over here is Natasha. And over here we got Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist himself. And today we have this is a special book review for the Hennepin County Library for our friends down there. And today we're going to read from Michael's book, Dog and IINGAN. Dog and IINGAN. And what can you tell us about this book, Michael? Dog and IINGAN teaches people how to count to 10 in Ojibwe and how to say certain Ojibwe language terms for animals. And that's pretty much it. Oh, okay. So there you have it. Counting to 10 in Ojibwe. Actually, before we read this, let's see if we know how to count to 10. So you got your Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ngodwaswe, Nijwaswe, Nishwaswe, Jangaswe, and Medaswe. Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, and Ngodwaswe, Nijwaswe, Nishwaswe, Jangaswe, and Medaswe. 1 to 10. And so let's see how Michael does it in Dog and... Actually, sweetie, how about this? Will you read in this book, Dog speaks English, and IINGAN, which means wolf in Ojibwe Moan, speaks Ojibwe. Honey, would you mind reading the Dog, and I'll read IINGAN.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Dog and IINGAN by Michael Lyons. All right. Dog and IINGAN. Okay, you go ahead, sweetie.
Hello.
BOOZHOO.
One dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
One wolf.
Beijig IINGAN.
Two.
Nij.
Two eagles.
Nij Migaziwug.
Three.
Niswe.
Three bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
Four.
Niwin.
Four raccoons.
Niwin Asi Banog. Nanin.
Five. Five deer.
Nanin Wawashigeshiwug.
Six.
Ningodwaswe.
Six crows.
Ningodwaswe Andewug.
Seven.
Nijwaswe.
Seven rabbits.
Nijwaswe Wabuzug.
Eight.
Ishwaswe.
Eight squirrels.
Ishwaswe Misajidamug.
Nine.
Jungaswe.
Nine birds.
Jungaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Medaswe.
10 butterflies.
Medaswe Mamengwa. Miigwet.
Thank you. Ah, that was sweet.
Oh, and there you have it. Dog and IINGAN by Michael Lyons, counting to 10 in Ojibwe Moan. All right. Well, with that, I think I'll just say, Michael, I really like your book. If you'd like to order a copy, click the link. And yeah, with that, I'm just going to say, miigwech, ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Oh,
Oh,
oh, and miigwech to Allison and everybody else involved down at Hennepin County Library. If you'd like to learn more about it, visit your local library. Nah. I heard the thunder beings last night.
yeah.
Anamakika. Thunderbirds. Or thunder. It is thundering. Anamakika. You got something about you. You've got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as the one before the god of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Anamakika, it is thundering. That's what it's like when Michael Lyons plays the guitar. Okay, hey, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Woo!
Let's hear it. There it is. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minowa. Hawa.
Hawa. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. All right, let's see how that looks.